It is day 10 of Road to 10K Uber driving. It's 8:30 p.m. and we are going online. Still a lot of snow on the ground from the storm. Just finished up the first trip in Lawrence. Let's go. Got a little bit more snowfall over here. Last two trips got some big surges going. Rider canceled on me. Hanging out in the snow for a little bit. Still waiting for some orders in the gas station. Finally got one downtown. A little $12 trip. Next rider canceled on me. Caught some trash in the middle of the road. Some more trash the next street over as well. Trying to make it down this icy hill. Another $7 and another rider canceled. Headed to the Lawrence Supercharger. A little worried about my range here, and we are charging it up. Made it to the Supercharger with 0% battery remaining. Got a little airport drop-off reservation. Leaving the airport and headed back to Lawrence. Little trip on the way back. It is 7:16 a.m. and we made it back. Ended the day with 196 plus 101 plus $10 cash for a grand total of $305.